We always carried weapons on the tractor. And at different times, those two fell off. We looked for them, couldn't find them. But we just happened one day, it was fall, things were drying up, and but it was years before we found them.
5 years?
No, probably 20.
20 years?
Yeah.
Holy
They were
cow.
lost back in the 60s.
We made an announcement to say, hey, bring some rusty guns, bolts, vice grips, anything you have to do it. And this gentleman brought in 2 guns.
I said, I got something in the closet that'll be just right for you guys.
We're going to kind of coat it, see if we get the actions to work, get it in those tight spots. This gun's completely seized up, extreme condition, no value to it, and we're going to see if we can get it to break the loose and dissolve the rust. Because if we can get it to dissolve the rust, it'll start working. Okay, here's this one. It's an old shotgun, looks like a 16 gauge. So it's completely locked up, and we're going to see if we can get it to get the actions to work. Give it a good soak in. Look at this. Look at that. Look, I got the hammer working. Within 10-15 seconds, it dissolved the rust. The trigger's already working.
It probably has been a half hour since I soaked these guns.
It would fire.
I can't believe that.
That's unbelievable. Even I'm blown away.
It's amazing.
Look at these guns now. I mean, even to me, they're amazing. The guns work, the triggers work, the firing pin works. Now this is what's amazing to even myself. This old shotgun, I mean, it works, it's functional. Now this is the baby that was totally demolished. The actions wouldn't work. The actions wouldn't work. Now look at it. The actions work like new. It even brought back some of the final finish on the product.
It's one of the more amazing stories I've seen.